Ano yung mga dapat nilang i-consider ito at siguraduhin na hindi na magkakamali sila?
Yes, if they will be opting for the first mode of filing an impeachment complaint, they need to make it sure that yung first mode kasi it should be filed by the any private citizen as endorsed by one of the member of the House of Representatives, di ba? So, pag yun ang ginawa, yung katulad nitong nakaraan, dapat siguraduhin nila that it should be calendared within the period of 10 session days, and after that, within 3 session days, it must be referred to the Committee on Justice. And then the Committee on Justice, within 60 days, must submit its report to the plenary for affirmation of the impeachment complaint before it may be transmitted officially to the Senate of the Philippines. That is one thing that they failed to do according to the decision of the Supreme Court in the case of Duterte versus House of Representatives. Sabi kasi ng Supreme Court, there was a delay and there was a manipulation. This is the word that they use. There was a manipulation. And the House of Representatives cannot exercise discretionary power in this case. They cannot manipulate. Their power is only ministerial in character. Therefore, dapat nung nakarating yan doon sa kanila within 3 days from the time it was filed, within 10 session days, dapat in-endorso na yung kinalendar tapos ni-refer kagad sa Committee on Justice. Kasi ang nangyari doon, they waited for the 4th complaint, which is under the second mode of filing an impeachment complaint.